this is RooTrimmer. Welcome back to our channel. The RooTrimmer gardening products are the best friends of your plant. Today I am so happy to share with all my fellow plant lovers an awesome find. It is this 30-pack clear nursery pots. They are perfect for succulents and herbs, flowers and vegetables. So if you are looking for some solid clear nursery pots that are practical, budget friendly and super easy to use, this pack is a no-brainer. Alright, let's take a closer look and I will show you why it is a great addition for your plant setup. Alright, let's kick off what makes this set so awesome. This is a 30-pack clear nursery pot and we have 5 different sizes. It is 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, and the largest one is about 7 inches, and 6 of each. Whether you are starting tiny herbs or dealing with a large seedlings, there is a pot at every stage of your plant journey. The smaller one is perfect for starting seeds, and the larger one is practical for propagation cuttings and transplant cuttings. Then let's talk about the quality. The quality is the most concerned for every gardener, and this pack is made from high quality plastic. They are flexible and sturdy, so you don't have to worry about the cracks and breaks. They are lightweight but solid, so they can handle the sun, the water, or occasional drops. They are so practical for every gardener. What really sets this pack apart? They are totally see-through. You can actually watch your plant roots grow, and it is not just fun to look at. They are super helpful for spotting the early root issues like rot, or figuring out the soil too dry or too wet. It is just like a building plant health monitor. Of course, everyone knows that good drainage is a key, and this pack totally get it. Each clear nursery pot have 8 drainage holes at the bottom, so your plant never sit in a soggy soil. Say goodbye to the overwatering disaster. And since they are clear, and it is easy to tell when your plants need a drink. Best part, this 30-pack are insanely versatile. Indoor, outdoor, windowsill, greenhouse, you name it. Use them for seed starting, propagation cuttings, and transplantings. From succulent and herbs to flowers and veggies. They do it all and looking good doing it. Whether you got a green thumb or you just getting into gardening, this pack is a great choice for you. Alright, here's the texture. If you are interested in this 30-pack, 5 different sizes clear nursery pots, check the link below. And if you have any questions of this 30-pack clear nursery pots, just leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will add more gardening products every week. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.